40, right 2 tightens to 1 down, into left. Four long, into left 6, into right 2. Into left 5, keep right over crest. Left 5, keep right over crest. Left 6 long, into right 6, keep left over crest. Right 5. Left 3 long, into right 6. Left 6 through gate 60. Left 4. Into right 4 long, keep mid over big jump gate, left 6, and right 6 over crest jump maybe. Six, 200, left 5, into caution, right 4 over jump, logs outside. Left 6, into right 3. Turn square left. Over crest, turn right 1. Into keep left, past junction, crest. Right 6, half long. And left 4, long, over crest. And right 5, continues for 100. Left 6, into caution, right 2, tightens to 1.